You know, as a stay-at-home mom, probably about 75% of my time is spent with the children alone, taking care of them by myself, without any day-to-day help during the day while my husband's at work. And we went through a really rough patch of about a year when, as he gained more responsibilities at work, it also meant that he had to spend more time at work. I was pregnant and I had, you know, a 2-year-old and a 1-year-old. And it was a very, very difficult season of life. And through my husband and my obedience and our faithfulness to the Lord, it has been amazing to watch where He's brought us. And He's moved us very quickly from that place where I felt totally alone to a place now where my husband's in a new job where they're very family oriented, it's very family friendly, and the work is something that he enjoys, and it's really changed myself and it's changed our family. I am excited about the women's retreat because it's a chance for me to take a little break from this exhausting pace of my life. And as a young woman, I really look forward to learning from women who have more experience and have gone through these storms before. I want to challenge other young women to take advantage of this amazing opportunity that we have to learn and grow. Won't you join me?